With the first pick in the 1996 NBA Draft, the Philadelphia 76ers select Allen Iverson from Georgetown University.
And there you see backstage Allen Iverson, the Georgetown sophomore. Ann and Steve, mom and dad. Family and friends back there. And what a tremendous moment that is for a kid. You think about all the nights, all the mornings that you had to get up early, take the kid to his youth league game, and dreaming of this night, of being the first pick in the NBA draft. And it is.
What's up, people? Welcome back to Tailor Made Kicks. Shout out to all the sneakerheads, collectors, and all those who like fly kicks. Today we got another sneaker review for y'all. An oldie but a goodie, an iconic shoe. One that may be basketball top 10. This is the Reebok Question, inspired by Allen Iverson. Check it out.
What do I want to ask Allen Iverson?
Hey, Allen, do you like to play in the zone?
Hey, Allen, what do you think about Philly?
Hey, Iverson, you want to go one-on-one?
Hey, Allen, you think you can take me?
I don't think so.
Hey, Allen, how high can you jump?
When do you plan to have a ring on your finger?
Hey, Allen, how fast are you?
And when you coming down for a cheesesteak?
Yo, Al, what's up?
Those shoes.
Allen, what's up with the shoes? These are good questions. Very good questions.
Hey, people, let's check out the box. Black and gold Reebok box. You'll see the I3 logo on the box. Stands for Iverson. It's numbers 3. Say Reebok in the corner. Reebok all around the box. Let's check out the shoe tab. The shoe tab reads Reebok Question Mid. These are a size 8.5. And the colorway is white, and power red. Okay, people, the year is 1996. Allen Iverson's rookie year. This is his first signature shoe. As he stepped on the scene, making noise. This is before the braids, before the tattoos. This is low-cut Allen Iverson out there cooking.
Harris now to Iverson, baseline dribble, cut off.
So this is arguably a top 10 basketball design or model of all time. Y'all let me know in the comments if this would fit in your top 10. Best part I would say of the shoe is the question logo on the back with the number 3 at the bottom. And this one has the red toe. This is the suede toe. I got these from Flight Club for like $200. This is the 2020 version. Reebok did just release another 2024 edition that has a leather red toe. Alright, so if we start from the bottom, you'll see a translucent bottom that says Reebok, and underneath there's a Reebok logo. So a white rubber outsole with Hexa-like cushioning, which is Reebok's answer to, I would say, the air bubble, Nike's air bubbles. So this is Reebok's version of an air bubble. It's a nice soft Hexa-like cushion on the bottom. If we move up to the midsole, it's a white tumble leather. On both sides, you'll see that Reebok logo in the middle. Red with blue outline. Red with blue outline on the inside as well. The shoelaces on these say Reebok going up and down. And on the inside, it has the Reebok logo. These come with 2 pairs of shoestrings, so you'll get all white pair or this pair, which is white with specks of blue rope laces. You got a mesh tongue and a Reebok logo at the top of the tongue. I'm not mad at this mesh tongue. And the translucent bottom covers the front toe cap as well. So it's a pretty good shoe for it not to be a Nike. If y'all don't know, Allen Iverson signed with Reebok in order to stake his own claim. They gave him a $60 million 10-year deal, I believe. So yeah, this is Allen Iverson's first signature shoe, the Reebok Question. Y'all let me know in the comments, what is your favorite colorway? Do you like this one? Do you like the one with the blue toe? Doesn't matter if it's a suede toe or a leather toe. My favorite part is the number on the bottom. Now, if I had to rate this shoe, I'm going to say I'll give this an 8 out of 10. I'll rate this shoe an 8 out of 10. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all rate the Reebok Question Mid. I give it an 8 out of 10 only because the Reeboks normally are a little bit wider structured shoe. My feet is narrow, so I don't really like the wide structured shoes. And it's a Reebok. Y'all know I'm Team Nike. Sorry, I'm Team Nike. I'm biased. I'm Team Nike. So I give it an 8 out of 10. Now, is this a wear, stash, or resell? This is a stash for me. I'll be putting these up on the wall in the collection. I won't wear them unless it's a special occasion. Maybe I might break them out once or twice in the summertime. But it's mainly a stash for me. But yeah, these are available now on the Reebok website for $170, I believe, in all sizes. So if you want a pair, go cop your pair now before the shoe goes. Shout out to Shaq and Iverson, who have now taken over Reebok. So they're both re-releasing most of their classic kicks that came out with Reebok in the 90s. Reebok did have a good run on basketball shoes with these, with the Shaqs, with the Shawn Kemps, with the Reebok Pumps, the Reebok Black Top series. Reebok did have a nice little run in basketball shoes. I'll show y'all an on-foot look. These are pretty comfortable. Like I said, with the Hexa-Lite cushioning system, they are pretty comfortable. I would say stay true to size. Sizing, I would say stay true to size. And that's about it. This is the Reebok Question Mid. Any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section. This is Tailor-Made Kicks, baby. Back to the 90s, the golden era of sneakers. We are out of here, people. Deuces.